You take a look at the Atlantic hurricane season in 2024. We've used 15 names from our list of storm names. Oscar is still active. Nadine is no more. And then you see the rest of the group that's been used so far this year. The next name on the list, Patty, and then Raphael after that. Right now, all we have to worry about is Oscar. And when I say worry about, there's really no threat to the United States, no direct threat, but it is the only name system out there. So let's take a closer look, and we're going to jump in to what's happening with Oscar. You can see the center there, very, very close. It's really over eastern Cuba, just about ready to get back out over the water, although it's been drifting westward at just 2 miles per hour. This system has really been something else. Hurricane Center had this with only a 10% chance of development last Friday. At one point, when it was working across the Atlantic as Invest 94L, it was something they thought maybe had a 60% chance of development, and those chances kept coming down lower and lower and lower through Thursday and into Friday. Even late Friday and early Saturday, chances for development were still pretty low. But what happened, the water temperatures here have been so warm, in the mid 80s for some locations. It gets over that warm water, warmer than 80 degrees. There's energy for this thing to draw from, and that was the case. It really ramped up, becoming a hurricane before its landfall. So it produced the hurricane conditions last evening or late yesterday, 5 o'clock. And then as it came inland overnight, we saw it kind of weakening. And that's the case this morning. Still a tropical storm, still a lot of warm water out there. But because it's been such a slow mover and it's weakened, it's kind of churned up the sea surface a little bit. So we are getting some cooler water mixing in. Now it is forecast to turn to the north and eventually the northeast and then accelerate off. So right now, just a westward drift, big rainmaker down across eastern Cuba, maybe parts of Hispaniola around Haiti or back over the Turks and Caicos, back through the eastern Bahamas. We're going to continue to watch for more rain there. But eventually, it should turn off to the north and the northeast, accelerating, and then kind of heading off in the general direction of Bermuda there. But it will be a weakened system as it moves along. I do expect it to kick up some wave action as those waves propagate out from this thing. We'll see some increased threat of rip currents along the eastern southeast coast. But in general, there's no direct threats. None of the models carry it towards our area. They really all carry it off to the northeast and, again, weakening it as it moves off. So that's what's up with Oscar. Again, no other named storms in the basin right now. We will, of course, keep an eye to things and keep you updated here at 13 News Now.